Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by sorting and checking care labels. This prevents shrinkage and color transfer. Once done, measure Mother Sparsh. Use 1 cap for small loads, 2 for medium, 3 for large, adjusting for heavy soil. Pour into the detergent dispenser or directly into the drum for front loaders. This ensures proper dilution. Make sure water temperature matches fabric recommendations because temperature affects cleaning power and dye release. You're now ready to load the first batch and start the cycle. You load clothes evenly, leaving space so water and detergent circulate. Overfilling reduces effectiveness. Once loaded, choose the correct cycle, normal for everyday, delicate for sensitive items, heavy for soiled workwear, and use pre-wash when needed. If you have visible stains, apply a small amount of Mother Sparsh directly to the spot and let it sit briefly. This boosts enzymes and lifts soils. Also, if your water is hard, make sure to increase dose slightly so the detergent works optimally. Once the wash completes, check garments for soap residue. If you see any, run an extra rinse. This removes trapped detergent and prevents stiffness. Make sure to dry per garment labels. Air dry delicates, tumble dry on suggested heat for others. Avoiding high heat preserves fibers and prints. If you notice lingering odor or residue, reduce detergent dose next time, clean the dispenser, and run an empty hot wash to clear the system. That quick troubleshooting keeps results consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.